Now we'll see how to represent a table on our web pages. We have a table tag. In table tag is divided into rows and we have tr as a row. The tag which defines the rows is tr and each row is divided into cells. That cells will be defined with td tag. We have table tag which defines a whole table, then th tag, it will give a header cell of the table, and the tr is a row of a table, td is a cell in the table, and we have a caption tag to define the caption for a table. We have call group which specifies the table formatting for one or more columns, col for column properties for each column, thead that groups the header content in a table, then tbody groups the body content in a table, and tfoot for the footer content in a table that groups. So we'll see here one example of table tag. We have a table example here. We want to display the numbers marks obtained by some students in a class. So first we have to write table tag and then we have to define the row, and the row had a header, that column, the tr row, and the th will define the head of the column. One column is a roll number, the second column is a name, then third one is the marks. We have created a table with the columns roll number, name, marks. Inside that we have different data. The data cells will be represented by td tag. So here we have tr, inside that row we have td roll number 1, the name is John, and the marks obtained is 38. In the same way we have three more datas. The name is Doe, said, wrote, and the marks are 60, 80, 54. And we are placed this data in our TD, which having each rows. Now we can see the example in practical how the table is going to be worked. Now we'll got the structure of HTML. We'll place the title as table. Now we have to put table. For that there is a tag called table. Just enter. We got a table tag here. Inside that, first we have to define the row. In that row we have to define a column, and the column name is first roll number, the second column is name, and the third one is marks. Let's see what's appearing in our web page. We have table open with canary. See, we are seeing here roll number, name, and marks appearing here as a header of the column. These are column name. Okay, now we have to provide the data. For the next tr, we have first td. That first td has to be cell column. That cell have to be data for a roll number. The roll number is 1. The name, John, and the marks is 80. Assume it. In the same way, we need to fill out the data for the several column. We require td roll number 2, Doi 75, little bit lesser than John, and I forgot to close it. It's so closed. Then TR again, inside that TD for the data cell, TD, then roll number 3, we can assume it, another TD, that's called SID. And I think we got 65. So now we are saving it and we'll see how the tables appears. You can see here 1, 2, 3 John Doe. This is the table. We can see here this, and if we want to inspect it, we can get this. See the HTML, the T body, then TR, TH. To style it more, we'll see in the CSS module, with the help of CSS, we can make it more better, have a more beautiful look, or in a better, you can say, presentable manner. CSS module, we'll see